Speaking practice. 50 useful daily life English sentences. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
What would you like for breakfast?
What would you like for breakfast?
I'm going to take a shower.
I'm going to take a shower.
Have you seen my car keys?
Have you seen my car keys?
Can you help me with the dishes?
Can you help me with the dishes?
It's raining outside. Don't forget your umbrella.
It's raining outside. Don't forget your umbrella.
Let's go for a walk in the park.
Let's go for a walk in the park.
What time is it?
What time is it?
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
Can you pick up some milk on your way home?
Can you pick up some milk on your way home?
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Have you finished your homework?
Have you finished your homework?
I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow afternoon.
I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow afternoon.
I am going to meet a friend for lunch the day after next.
I am going to meet a friend for lunch the day after next.
I'm sorry, I forgot to call you back.
I'm sorry, I forgot to call you back.
Can you lend me some money?
Can you lend me some money?
I'm so excited for our vacation next week.
I'm so excited for our vacation next week.
Are you ready to go?
Are you ready to go?
Did you remember to lock the door?
Did you remember to lock the door?
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Can you please pass me the salt?
Can you please pass me the salt?
I need to do some laundry.
I need to do some laundry.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Can you recommend a good book to read?
Can you recommend a good book to read?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
Let's go out for dinner tonight.
Let's go out for dinner tonight.
I love the smell of freshly baked bread.
I love the smell of freshly baked bread.
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
I'm looking forward to the vacation.
I'm looking forward to the vacation.
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
Can you turn up the volume of the radio, please?
Can you turn up the volume of the radio, please?
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt.
How was the day?
How was the day?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
I can't find my phone. Have you seen it?
I can't find my phone. Have you seen it?
I need to make a dentist appointment.
I need to make a dentist appointment.
Where is the nearest post office?
Where is the nearest post office?
Can you help me find my eyeglasses?
Can you help me find my eyeglasses?
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you.
Let's have a picnic in the park this weekend.
Let's have a picnic in the park this weekend.
I need to go to the bank before it closes at 3 o'clock.
I need to go to the bank before it closes at 3 o'clock.
Are you feeling better now?
Are you feeling better now?
Do you want to go for a bike ride?
Do you want to go for a bike ride?
Have you tried this new restaurant?
Have you tried this new restaurant?
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
I have a headache. Do you have any painkiller?
I have a headache. Do you have any painkiller?
Let's go for a swim.
Let's go for a swim.
Can you help me tie my shoelaces?
Can you help me tie my shoelaces?